Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 S450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath here is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Nut brown leather interior with a poplar black wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Around side, S450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, clean set of floor mats. Driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane keep assist, speed limit assist, Distronic Plus with active steering, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sills, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns, hard keys for media display. This S450 has 23,464 miles, Carfax and service records available online. In fact, to view more photos of this S450 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.